Guys, we go to safari today. Ayan, with the family guys. Ayan, dito muna kami sa Liluan. Kain ng lechon. Ayan. Lechon. Oh,
Monkey.
lechon. Monkey. Monkey. Lola. Ayan. Lechon. Oh, kanag. Oh. Natatuan nga sa pare, 52 hectares na. Welcome to Cebu Safari, guys. Ayan, la family trip for today. Okay. Yay. No running. Grabe oh, ang pronsit oh. Madam Chuchi pagubasa no pronsit man. Okay. Okay, what the
Tarungan lang ako.
Ah, see? See? Ah, see? Ah? Ah. Ah? See, look at my bag. Picture, sir. Picture, awa.
Kuya.
Ah, kapaselfie, kapaselfie.
Kuya.
Ah.
Kuya mo dati. Ano kuya?
Yes! Yes!
Ma'am, picture ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay sir, picture sir.
Picture, picture.
Okay. Agay!
Oh, you have a lot of birds. Ah, forward, listen this. Somebody.
Picture ma'am.
Find my way to you,
Dili.
even
Masa
though
ni siya
you're
nga?
next to me. No matter what I do,
Ito tayo tari na.
lifted out of reach. Head underwater,
John.
I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this
Tara, ano sa?
alive.
Ano sa diya?
Find my way to you. Now that our love has capsized, 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 side to side.
Now guys, we're going to White Lion. White Lion. African Lion.
like the far savanna, which are the zebras.
Savannah.
So zebras are actually black. They are just covered with white stripes. So if you try to shave them off, all you can see is just black. And their prints are different from each other, just like our human fingerprints. So there are no two zebras na the same pattern. Each is different. And by the way, the two zebras in front, these are our baby zebra, born here in Cebu Safari. 5 months old and 1 month old. Brownish.
Yeah. Baby zebra. Baby James and baby Mary. Yeah. Oh.
And on your right side, we have the antelopes. So antelopes are family of goats. And we'll start with the one with straight long horns. That is the Hemsbok or Oryx gazelle. Now the Hemsbok, they are efficient in storing waters in the body. That's why they can survive for a month up to a year without drinking.
Very big crocodile. Monkey, Humpy Dumpy. Linya sana, linya bang. Asan.
Just read. Why are feet
Kita,
is
kita.
like a hand? It's like that. Jeffrey, hello Jeffrey.
Blue
Your
kiss.
feet is like a hand. Jeffrey,
Jangan
Jeffrey.
You see our group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones? Now, ladies and gentlemen, relax and enjoy as our fine feathered friends are going to show us their amazing tricks, awesome stunts, gas participation, and important environmental message. But the question is, are you ready to be amazed by our fine feathered friends? Alright, so to start with, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, to welcome our blue and gold macaw named Amigo. Now, Amigo originated in South America, but he inhabited the rainforest of Brazil. He's a responsible bird and loves to see his environment clean, so let's see what Amigo will do. So first, effective empty can, walk to the way in, drop it inside, and burn. Now for the second item, we pick the plastic cup, walk to the
tell us. So what are you going to say to them? Welcome to Cebu's Warriors First Show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes the Flying Boss. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaws named Harry, Hardy, Matt, Tony, Kyle, and Mark. So macaws are very adaptive birds, meaning whatever environment they are in, it will become quite normal to them. So if they are surrounded
Hi.
They can be different styles of animals. First is a rooster. And also, they can mimic a telephone hyena also. Ready, telephone. Okay, and the last one is so. And also, Lani really love to sing. But before to sing, we need to have a warm up first. Okay, but listen to warm up. Next is a bird song. Okay, present song and dance first. Who's celebrating their birthday today or this month? Okay, hi, happy birthday and listen carefully because Lani and Yuri will sing a happy birthday song. Can you sing happy birthday? I can sing happy birthday. Okay, last one. Oh, let's not sing happy birthday. Okay, so everyone around top class are happy birthday, Lani and Yuri. Starting now, everyone, we call Mr. J to continue this part of the show.
Hi, good afternoon everyone.